just really singing the praises of the call intelligence tool in HubSpot, especially for pro and enterprise users where you get coaching and transcripts and all of those good things. But I was today years old when I realized that you can actually timestamp your notes and your comments. So I might be the only person who didn't know this. I'll lean into that if that's the case. But in case there's anyone out there like me who didn't know you could do this, I would like to show you how. So I am inside of a call recording here. If you've got your notes open, maybe you want to just add an overall, this is a great call, especially the intro. Well, instead of just adding that note, maybe there's a certain part of it you want your rep or whoever to listen to. You can actually timestamp it just by typing in where it happened in the call as you're listening and then hitting enter. You'll see it turns blue. And then when I hit save, I can click on it and you'll see the ticker over here goes directly to that spot so that the person can go listen to it. Additionally, you can come over here to the transcription side where you're doing the coaching mid-call. Same thing. So, here, maybe I'm going to tag a user and maybe this user is helping a new rep and you want that new rep to listen in too. Tag her as well. And then great question. So this is a good coaching moment. I want to make sure that everyone goes and listens to it. So I'll type that in and then same thing. If I click on this, it goes over to that spot. It's amazing. And I don't know what I'm pointing at here, but I'm really excited about this. I'm a little embarrassed. I didn't know this was a thing, but I'll just take it as a good thing because now it's something new that I can use. Hopefully this helps somebody else as they're going through and listening to calls and coaching reps as well.